Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 9.2 question number 1 from chapter 9 areas of parallelogram and triangles of class 9. The question says that in figure 9.15, which means this is the figure 1.95, as you can see in the video, ABCD is a parallelogram. AE perpendicular on DC and CF perpendicular on AD. If AB is 16 centimeter, AE equal to 8 centimeter and CF equal to 10 centimeter, we have to find AD. This is the question. Now we are going to solve this question number 1. Now let's see how to solve this one. Now student, this is the diagram which I have drawn from book, and the given part I have written from book, and here I have written to find AD is equal to question mark, which means we have to find the side or the value of AD. Now student, since this question is not the geometrical proof, that's why I have written here solving. Now how to solve it? Look. Now student, now look. First I will write here AB equal to CD, because opposite side of the parallelogram. Now what is the value of AB here? 16 centimeter. So in case of CD, the value is also same, 16 centimeter. Now I will find out the area of a parallelogram. Now student, area of parallelogram ABCD equal to, formula is base into height. Base into height. So what is the base here? Base is CD. So write here CD, and height is AE. Height is AE. So just put the value here, 16 cm into value of AE. What is the value of AE here? 8 cm. So now multiply. Answer would be 128 cm square. This is the area of the parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Now student, next part is we have to find out the value of AD. So look here in the diagram, AD and CF is the perpendicular on AD. So I will write here now area of parallelogram ABCD equal to 128 cm square. Now here formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. So I will write here, in this case particularly, look here in the diagram, the base is AD and height is CF. So I will write here AD into CF equal to 128 cm square. Now what is the value of CF here? 10. So just write here AD will remain same and value of CF would be 10. Here it is 128 cm square. Just after that, AD equal to 128 cm square by 10 cm. Now next part is AD equal to 12.8 cm. This is the height of AD. This is the length of AD. So our solution is now complete. The length of AD is 12.8 centimeter. Student, now we are going to solve question number 2. If E, F, G and H are respectively the midpoints of sides of parallelogram ABCD, show that area EFGH equal half area ABCD. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Now let's have a look how to solve this one, question number 2. Student, now look, This is the given part. ABCD is a parallelogram and EFGH are the midpoints of the parallelogram ABCD. Look, this is the diagram ABCD and EFGH are the midpoints. After that, student, we join one diagonal, means H and F. We join one diagonal. So after joining the diagonal, now look that ABCD's parallelogram divides into two equal half. First one is ABFH, second one is CDHF. Now we have to prove what? Area EFGH equal half area ABCD. Now construction also being written here. We join HF. Now how to solve it? Look, student, so I will write here proof. Now look, after that, look, this is the first triangle HFG. Now look, parallelogram CDHF and triangle HFG are in the same base between the same parallel. So area of triangle HFG equal half the area of CDHF. Now I will start from here first. Student, first I will write here, we know that a triangle and a parallelogram, double LGM means parallelogram, are on the same base and between the same parallel, then the area of triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. This theorem, student, already I proved in my last video. So here I am just using that theorem. Now after that, student, therefore I will write triangle, look here, area triangle GHF equal to half area CDHF. Area triangle GHF half area CDHF, as because the triangle GHF are on the same base HF and between the same parallel CD and HF. We'll take it equation number 1. Now just after that, triangle EFH. Now again I will write here area triangle EFH equal half area ABFH. Here in this case, triangle EFH, HF is the base and between the same parallel means HF and AB. So according to this theorem, area of triangle half of the area of the parallelogram. Now this is equation number 2. Now student, just go for addition. So I will add here 1 plus 2. This is equation number 1. 1 plus 2 I will add here. So look here, after adding what will happen? Area triangle GHF plus area triangle EFH. We'll add these two sides, and here half area CDHF plus half area ABFH. Now look student, look into the diagram. Triangle GHF, triangle EFH. If we add these two, we'll get this area. I repeat again, triangle GHF, triangle EFH. If we add these two, we'll get EFGH, the area of this parallelogram. So after adding this, we will write here area of EFGH equal. Now here I will take half common. So after that, what will happen? Just after that, area CDHF plus area ABFH. Now look student, look in the diagram. If I add CDHF and if I add ABFH, if we add these two part, which means these two parallelogram, we will get ABCD. So I will write here now area EFGH equal half area ABCD, which is our ultimate answer, hence proved. Hence proved.